Okay, how many parts we have to shade? 3/8. Okay, 3 parts of 8, yeah. 3 parts of 8 parts. Okay, so you can shade this one, and this one. Okay, how about 1/2 or 1/2? How about this? Can you give solution or you can give comment? What should we do? Anyone to speak? Okay, we have to change this. Okay, we have to change this so the denominator same. How come? Okay, let's see here. Look at, yeah, I will go here. We find out the equivalent of fraction. We have 1/2. Okay, we're gonna find out another value of this fraction, or we can say equivalent fraction of 1/2. Okay, using the denominator 8. Why Miss 8? Because the first number here, the first fraction here is 3/8. Okay, the total of parts is 8. Total partnya ada 8, ya, 8 bagian. Berarti yang 1/2 ini, 1/2 ini, we have to change. Okay, we have to change. Bawahnya kita harus ubah ke mana? Ke angka 8 ya. Okay, so it means like this. 2 times what number equals 8? Equals
4.
Yeah, I mean times 4. And then 1, if you times the denominator with 4, the same way you have to times with the numerator. Oke, kalau di bawahnya kamu kalikan 4, di atasnya juga harus kamu kalikan 4. Oke, get it? So 1 times 4 equals 4. Okay, after you get this, setelah kamu dapat, you can apply here. You can change like this ya. The word, the fraction 3/8. Okay, after this, what should we do, Miss? We can draw another bar model of this, 4/8. It means how many parts that you have to shade? In 4/8. 4 parts. Very good job. 4 parts. Okay. If they are same, kalau mereka sudah sama semua bagiannya, you just combine. It means 3 parts shaded and 4 parts shaded. You combine become how many parts shaded?
7, Miss.
7. Only one my students here. Where's another? Yes, 7 ya kids. 7. 7/8. Ya kan? 7 parts shaded of 8 parts. Ya, 7 bagian yang diarsir dari total keseluruhannya adalah 8. Oke? Any question for this? Ada pertanyaan tentang ini? Any question? Nothing? Nothing? You can ask me ya. You can unmute. It's okay. Okay, and then look at the second way, without bar models. Kalau without bar models berarti yes? Yes? Who speak? Siapa yang apa tadi? Who speaks? Who is that? Oke, we continue without bar models, tanpa bar models ya. Nah, kamu hitungnya seperti ini. Oke, how to change the denominator? Gimana caranya cara kita untuk mengubah denominator atau penyebutnya? Oke, Haikal, can you speak up? Haikal? How to change? Who wants to talk about this? Who wants to answer?
Maksudnya Miss apa kata Miss? Bingung.
Yes?
Apa Miss? Gak ngerti apa yang Miss bilang.
What? What do you say?
Yang Miss bilang yang bisa dari denominatornya jadi 2.
Iya, ini kan setengah, 1/2. Oke, kita harus ubah dia ke ininya, penyebutnya menjadi 8. I speak in English ya. So you have to, kalau nggak ngerti bilang aja, I will speak in bahasa. Oke, jadi kamu harus cari tahu pengalinya. 2 kali berapa sama dengan 8? Kenapa 8, Miss Ruth? Iya, karena di sini tadi, look at ya kids. Di pecahan pertama tadi adalah 3/8. Nah, ini kan pecahan paling besar ya, 8. Berarti kita juga harus ubah yang 2 ini jadi 8. Caranya adalah by multiplication. Oke, get it, Johnson? Get it, everyone? Iya. Sorry, kalau misalnya nggak ngerti in English, you can speak, Miss, can you translate in bahasa? I will speak in bahasa or mix like that. Kalau diam-diam baik, mana tahu Miss Ruth, ya kan? Diam-diam baik, mana tahu Miss Ruth. Oke, get it ya everyone. Nah, how about this? Sama halnya ya. Oke, gimana cara kalian mengubah 1/2 ini kalau tanpa bar models, without si bar models? Sama, bisa dengan menggunakan cara ini. Tapi ada cara lain sebenarnya, kids. Pernah pakai cara LCM? Have you ever used LCM? Or we can say KPK? Pernah nggak? KPK nggak tahu ya?
No, Miss.
KPK, when you were grade 4 loh, kids. LCM, KPK. Ya ampun. Ih, sebel ya. Yes, you have to check. Iya, kelipatan itu, kelipatan terkecil, benar-benar. Good job. Nah, Miss bisa pakai cara ini bisa, tapi kan kadang kalian bingung kan? Oke. Tapi kalau misalnya pakai KPK, perhatikan, we have the denominators 8 and 2. Oke. Jadi KPK 8 dari 2 itu apa aja? Tapi yang terkecil. Oke, you find that the same ya, perhatikan. Look at everyone. Oke, kelipatan dari 8, the multiply of 8. Kelipatan 8 apa aja? Tambah-tambah 8. We start from 8. 8 and then what else? 16. Very good job. And then
24.
24 and so on ya, dan titik-titik dan seterusnya. Oke, and the next, okay. How about 2? The multiple of 2. Kelipatan 2. 2, good.
4.
4 and then
6. 6.
8.
8.
6 first. 6 and then
8.
8 and so on. Okay, yes, and so on like that. Okay, I want to ask you, okay, which one the number of between of them, okay, that same and the smallest? Manakah angka yang sama antara 8 dan 2, tapi mereka angka yang paling kecil? Which one?
8, Miss.
Iya, circle ya. 8 here, they are same. Nah, 8 ini Miss kita pakai. Yes, you can use 8 as the denominator. Buatlah 8-nya sebagai denominator. Oke, ini cara pakai multiple ya. Oke, and after that, kalau misalnya 8 di sini Miss, 8 divided by 8.
1, Miss.
1 times 3.
3.
You put 3 here. Kamu buat 3 di sini. Okay. Because this is addition, you can make plus. Okay. We continue again. 8 divided by 2.
4.
4. 4 times 1.
4.
4 again. Sama kan hasilnya? Mau kamu pakai cara ini, if you use this way or this way, it doesn't matter. So you will get the answer. Kalau sudah sama denominatorsnya, tinggal jumlahkan aja pembilangnya, the numerators, you just add of them. Okay, 3 plus 4 equals
7.
7. Don't forget you make the whole parts, okay, 8. So the answer is 7 over 8. Okay, get it? Any question? Ada pertanyaan sebelum kita go to the next? Nothing?
Miss, can I go to restroom, Miss?
Yes, you can go 1 minute, yeah. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, 1 minute. Okay, any questions, Dira? Any question? Zuriel? Sierra, any question? Aaron? I hope everyone you can turn on your camera, yeah. If I'm not Miss Jesse, it doesn't mean you can.
Miss,
Doesn't mean you can turn off your camera, yeah. Oh yes.
Miss, kayaknya ulangi lagi, Miss. Tadi koneksinya buruk tadi, Miss.
You can see from the recording later, ya, Putri. Okay. I already record this. Okay. No question for this. Adding unlike fraction. Bisa pakai cara yang bar models dan juga without, ya, without bar models. You can count or use this one. Oke, masih ada yang bingung nggak menggunakan cara ini? Understand all? Oke, we go to the next. Kita lanjut. Oke, tadi kita adding ya, adding unlike now, subtracting, mengurangi. Miss, caranya gimana? Iya, sama aja dengan yang di atas itu ya, same ya. We have 5/8, it means you have to draw first the bar models. If we use the first way, the first method, ya pakai bar models, kita gambar dulu 5/8. How about 1/2 or this one, 1/2? 1/2-nya kita apain? What should we do?
Times, Miss.
Iya, times. Iya. Oke, lihat ya. Ini kan 5/8 ya. Ini paling besar ya. 5/8 kita sudah gambar bar modelsnya like this. Nah, 1/2 ini kan tidak sama denominatornya. So we have to change ya. We have to change. Look at ya. I will show here. Nah, kita ganti 1/2 ini sama halnya dengan yang tadi. Miss, kita ganti bawahnya jadi apa, Miss? Jadi angka 8 karena dia penyebut terbesar. Okay, you can make 8 here and then we can find that 2 times what number equals 8. 2 kali berapa sama dengan 8? 2 times what number equals 8?
4.
4, very good job. If the denominator you times with 4, same with the numerators. Jadi numeratorsnya juga harus kamu kalikan dengan 4, 4, like this. Okay, so you can get 1 times 4 equals 4 and 2 times 4 equals 8. So this is the equivalent of 1/2 or 1/2, 4/8. Nah, so we can change the fraction like this. 5/8. Wait ya, kids. Oke, because this is subtraction, karena ini adalah pengurangan, we minus ya, kids. Minus become 4/8. Very good job. And then you can draw, okay? You can draw. Kamu gambar bar modelsnya like this first and this is the second. Nah, kalau tadi plus or addition you have to combine. So how about this? Nah, if we use subtraction, bar modelnya kita coret. Jadi, look at ya. This one and this one, we no need to draw. This one no need to draw. This one no need to draw. This one no need to draw. Because this is the left. Karena ini sisanya, okay, you can put this one as the answer sebagai jawabannya. One shaded as the answer. Okay. Okay, one shaded of 8 parts. It means the fraction is 1/8. If the addition, you just combine. Kalau di penjumlahan, kamu combine saja. Tapi kalau misalnya di subtracting ini, kamu cross aja mereka. Bar modulus yang ini dengan ini, udah tidak perlu di draw lagi. Ini juga, okay, this one also. Okay, the left is one only. Hanya satu aja bar model yang diarsir. So, we can make the new like this. Oke. Sama halnya dengan mengurangi ya. For example, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Like that. You can imagine like that ya. Oke, any question? Tadi ada yang unmute ya. Who wants to ask? Who wants to ask? Tadi siapa yang unmute? Nothing? Oke, we continue without bar models. Without bar models sama halnya dengan yang tadi. Kita bisa pakai yang ini ataupun dengan menggunakan LCM, Least Common Multiple. Oke, atau KPK. Remember ya how to use that. With JC, you use this one or use LCM? Kalian pakai apa nih? LCM atau pakai ini ya? Which one? What do you use? Actually, use this or use LCM?
Use that you circle, Miss.
This one?
Yes. Yes.
Oke. Ya, tapi ini nggak berlaku ke semuanya ya. Nanti kesulitan kalian. So, I hope you can learn more about LCM atau KPK. Pelajari tentang KPK juga. How to find out ya, kids. How to solve the fraction using multiple. Oke, LCM. Oke. Oke, any question for this? Ada pertanyaan tentang ini? Atau mau kita pakai LCM juga? Mau coba? Do you want? Wanna try, kids? Farica, Muntas, Ivan, wanna try? Please give me your response. What's going on with this grade 5? Gak usah malu-malu loh, ya ampun. Oke, kita coba ya LCM-nya supaya lancar. Itu pelajaran kelas 4 itu, grade 4 ya, I think. Yes, grade 4. If you forgot, later when you grade 6, when you junior high school, it's difficult to you to answer or to solve the fraction questions or problems fast. Susah nanti jawabnya, nak. Oke. Nah, gimana kalau pakai LCM? Sama tadi ya. Ini kan sama-sama 8 sama 2. Berarti multiple yang sama, kita pakai angka berapa? Kalau kita pakai KPK, halo?
8 and 2, Miss.
Iya, 8 and 2. Pertanyaannya, KPK dari 8 dan 2 berapa ya?
8.
8, yes, 8. Kita buat dulu 8. Biar tahu, biar gampang nak jawabnya ya. Oke, so next 8 divided by 8.
1.
Kita bagi dulu ke bawah. 1. 1 times 5.
5.
5. So 5 is here. And then the next 8 divided by 2.
4.
4 times 1. 4. Okay. Yeah. Kalau yang di atas dia plus, this one we minus ya. We subtract. Okay. So 5 over 8 minus 4 over 8. You just minus this one. The numerator. So become
1 per 8.
yes, 1 per 8 or 1 over 8. Okay, like that. Okay, any question? Ada pertanyaan? Nothing. Oh, nothing, Miss. Nanti gimana ujiannya? Harus aktif ya, nak ya. Okay, now about word problems. Okay, I will read fast. Coba kasih responnya. Mrs. Rian needed some sugar to bake biscuits. She borrowed 1 over 2, or we can say half kilogram of sugar from Mrs. Dian and 3 over 8 kilograms of sugar from Mrs. Megan. How much sugar did she borrow all? It means what should you do? Pertama dia borrow, katanya si Miss Dian ini membutuhkan beberapa gula gitu ya untuk membuat biskuit. Dia meminjam setengah kilogram dari Miss Dian, Mrs. Dian, dan 3/8 dari Mrs. Megan. Jadi berapa banyak Gula yang dia pinjam. How much? Kalau misalnya ditanya how much, berarti you have to plus or you have to minus. Which one?
Plus.
Very good job. Plus this one, half plus 3/8, like this. Okay, how to find that? Miss, how to find out the answer? Okay, you can use the equivalent fraction. Bisa pakai equivalent fraction tadi. Dengan mengubah denominatorsnya ini ya. You can change this denominator. Ubah denominator yang ini jadi berapa?
8.
Jadi 2 kali berapa supaya 8? Gitu kan? 4, yes. It means like this ya. 2 times 4 equals 8. Nah, if the denominator you times with 4, the same way with this one. The numerator, 1 times 4 as well. Okay, so you can get the fraction is can you hear me, guys?
Yeah,
Pichi,
Miss.
what fraction is this?
What
What are you
is?
looking for, dear? What are you looking for?
Suara Miss agak kecil, Miss. Boleh
Are you
ditarik
sure?
sedikit?
My audio is so small.
Enggak, Miss.
Can
Tadi
you-
tiba-tiba waktu Miss kayak apa ngapain ngomong tiba-tiba tadi kecil.
How about
Tadi
another?
biasa aja. Now already big, Miss.
Okay, we get 4/8 ya. And then we plus with 3/4, 3/8. If the denominator is already same, kalau sudah sama penyebutnya, ini bawahnya sudah sama, you can plus the numerators atau pembilangnya. Tinggal dijumlahkan saja. So the answer we got 7/8. Okay, let's see the question. Let's open your review paper. Okay, let's see number 8. Please read Ira. Number 8.
Bottle 8 contains 4/6 liter of sauce. Just poured 1/3 liter of it into bottle B. How much sauce was left in bottle A?
Okay. How much sauce was left? If left, it means you have to add or you have to subtract.
Subtract means
Very good job. So it means 4/6 minus 1/3. So what is the answer? Remember ya, if the denominator is not same, you have to change first. Diubah dulu kalau misalnya penyebutnya atau yang di bawah itu belum sama ya, Nak. Okay, please give your answer on the chat box if you get the answer, if you already got your answer. Or who wants to explain this one? So you can get point later. So I can tell to Miss Jessie. Nirvana, want to try? All right,
Yes,
go ahead.
Miss.
Go ahead.
Oh, di bawahnya semua 6, Miss.
6. So this one still same. We still write down 4/6.
Ya.
Okay, 4/6 and then minus
1.
you say you have to change into 6 all. So what should you do? It means you have to find out 3 times what number equals 6.
At the 4 means at Sebelahnya itu 6 lagi, Miss. Di bawahnya.
Oke, di bawahnya 6. Oke, boleh. So, atasnya gimana? Numeratornya gimana? Pembilangnya
Number
bagaimana?
2, Miss.
Iya.
Ada
Ih, kok bisa dapat itu, Miss? Iya, karena tadi Nirvana cari gini kan. 3 times what number become 6? 3 times 2, right? Oke.
Ya.
If you if you times this one, the denominator with 2, same with the numerator. Yang ini juga harus sama, kamu kalikan 2. It means 1 times 2. So, Nirvana got the answer is 2/6.
Jadinya
Okay, so now the
jawabannya
next
2/6, Miss.
2/6. Okay. Can you simplify? Sudah bisa sederhanakan?
Yes, Miss.
So become
2/6.
yes 2/6. Bisa disederhanakan atau bisa nggak angkanya dikecilkan?
1/3, Miss.
Who is that?
Ascendant.
How come? Gimana caranya? Kamu dapat
Divide 2, Miss.
1/3.
Times.
Divide
Times
2,
or
Miss.
divide? Yes, divided.
Divided.
Iya, very good job. Divided 2. Sama-sama dibagi 2 ya. Oke, so the answer, Miss, jawabannya bisa 2/6. Bisa. You can use this as the answer and then this one as well. Okay? Next, number 9. Leonel, please read number 9.
C measures the length of tables. Table A is 1.3 meter long. Table B is 2.4 meter long. What is the total length of the two tables?
Okay, so what should you do? Add or subtract?
Add.
Yes, add. Please, can you help me to answer this one and explain? Can you?
What,
Leonel,
Miss?
can you help me to answer this, solve this?
Okay.
Like,
Okay. One
okay.
part
Wait a
plus
moment.
2/4. 1/3 plus 2/4 equals 4. The 3 times 4 and the above is 1, also times 4, and then the 4 and the 2/4 times 3, both of them.
Oh, this
So-
one you times 4, yeah. The first you times 4.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Second one
You
times
can-
3.
Okay, or like this ya, kids. Cara gampangnya gini aja. Kalau misalnya tidak ada angka yang sama, misalnya tadi kan 2 kan bisa dikalikan 2 kali berapa supaya sama dengan 8 kan ada kan? Tapi kalau misalnya angkanya berbeda, different, if the numbers are different, you can do multiplication. Bisa dikalikan ya. You can do multiplication like this. Look at. Okay, I will help you to answer fast. Okay, it means 3 times 4 equals 3 times 4. You don't know, kids? 3 times 4 equals?
12,
Okay,
Miss.
12. 12. And then the next, you can use like this method. Look at, yeah. This is the butterfly multiplication. You do multiplication first with 1 times 4. 1 times 4.
4.
4-nya buat di sini. You put here. Okay, and then this one. This is the fast way, ya. 3 times 2.
6.
6. Very good job. Okay, if already same, you just plus the numerator. So you can get so what is the answer? Come on, already same.
10
Penyebutnya udah sama.
10/12.
Iya, 10/12 like that. Oke, easy ya. Can we simplify? Bisa dikecilkan lagi nggak kira-kira? Can we simplify, Johnson? Bisa dikecilkan lagi nggak, Johnson? What are you doing? Bisa dikecilkan lagi nggak kira-kira? Sama-sama dibagi berapa gitu? Can or no? Cannot.
Can, Miss.
How about? Yeah, Ivan, can you speak up? Help me, please. We divide it by
2, Miss. Divided 2.
2. Ya, sama-sama dibagi 2 ya. Divided by 2. So, final answer is, jawaban terakhirnya apa?
2 per 6.
Are you sure 2? Kan sama-sama bagi 2. 10 divided by 2 equals?
2.
10 divided
5,
by
Miss.
2?
5.
5 over?
5/6.
Iya. Like that. Okay, how about this butterfly multiplication? Easy or no? Kalau pakai cara ini mudah atau tidak?
Easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy or no? Atau cara yang tadi? Which one?
Cara yang kayak gini, Mas.
Kayak gini mana?
Kalau
Kayak gini?
Vici lebih
Kayak gitu,
terbiasa
kayak
cara yang
Gono.
tadi.
Oke deh. Alright kids, because already time's up. Don't forget to say to continue this ya, this review. I think you still have time because next week kan already midterm, okay? For math kan 2 session ya, a week. So the first still review. So you can continue number 10 until number 13. You can say to the teacher later. Okay ya kids? If you don't have anymore, thank you for your attention. See you again next time. Bye-bye. Have a great day.
Bye, friend. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye, friend. Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye bye.